What's up everyone, this is the aerodynamics of a Viking helmet, so with the horns and that. And we have the flow going from left to right, and we have the helmet just behind this plane here. The plane shows the U magnitude, so the velocity, going from 0 to 30 meters per second. As we play, it's pretty cool, like we only are about less than halfway through the helmet, and you can already see the outlines of the horns coming through now, even though we haven't crossed them yet. And then on the helmet itself, we have the pressure distribution, so you have the high pressure at the front with all the air crashing into it over the top and the sides of the horns. You have low pressure because the flow is accelerating over it, and just behind the wake is getting that familiar horn look. So imagine, like, in Viking times, someone gets their head knocked in and then the helmet goes flying off, and this is kind of what it would look like in the air. Pretty cool, hey? And as you go further downstream, the horns start to lose definition quite quickly. So now it's just a bit of a blob. These are streamlines going over the helmet, so it starts at the front in a line and then it goes over, and you can see how it's very straight at the front, but at the back it's really jumbled up. So they go over the horns and it molds the horns fairly well, but then at the back there's so much recirculation. So that's a pretty cool view there. How you can see the flow, a lot of it going underneath the horns and then just some going over the top, and all this jumbled up flow here. So make sure to like and subscribe this. Check out everything we do here from Aerodynamics. Check out the instrumentation we have. Check out the courses we put on to make aerodynamics. We have CFD, experimental, and theoretical. And check out the conference we put on every year at the International Aerodynamics Conference. Peace out.